Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into IHG credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your credit card account for IHG, open up a web browser. In the search box, type in IHG credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the search result on the next page, click on this first link that says home/IHG rewards credit card/chase.com. Give it a click and this will open up a new tab. From this page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and you must enter your Chase account's credentials in order to log into your IHG credit card. Simply go ahead and enter your username in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your credentials, click on Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password or to find out your username. And after you are done, type it in the text boxes and click sign in. Soon after you are logged into your chase.com account, go and click on the credit card option and you'll be able to access your IHG reward credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.